Hello and welcome. Moment at hinge support 0, minimum, C, maximum or negative. So the correct answer is 0. Strut is a flexure, compressive, tensile or torsional. The correct answer is compressive member. Maximum bending moment for a simply supported beam with a UDL is WL square divided by 16, B WL square divided by 24, WL square divided by 8 or D none. So the correct answer is WL square divided by 8. Arches made upon a clay, sand, silt or rocky soft soil. The correct answer is D, rocky soft soil. The path on road on which vehicle move called formation, pavement, path or carriageway. So the correct answer is D, carriageway. Value of bidding security will be a 2 to 3%, 6%, 1% or 10%. So the right answer is 2 to 3%. Which one is Newtonian fluid? Mercury, water, phosphorus, all of these. So the correct answer is D, all of these. The properties of a material which is same in all direction is called isomerism. In compact material, isotropic and or isometric. This is isometric. So the correct answer is isotropic. The load on a body for short period of time is called linear load, dead load, live load, impact load. The correct answer is impact load. In the following, which one is right? PC1 to PC2, PC2 to PC1, PC3 to PC2 or none of the above. So the correct answer is PC2 to PC1. Flow discharge is given by the formula of Darcy's formula, Chasey formula, mining formula or all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. BPPRA is abbreviation of Balochistan Procurement Public Authority, Balochistan Public Procurement Regulatory Authority, Balochistan Public Prosecution Authority or none of the above. So the right answer is B, Balochistan Public Procurement Regulatory Authority. When a large vehicle moves on a turn to avoid slipping, slope, gradient, widening of a road or brake. So the correct answer is widening of a road. Which fluid having no viscosity? Mercury, non-ideal, ideal fluid or none of the above. The correct answer is ideal fluid. In a project, machinery is used. Which is most suitable method? Rent, fix, purchase or time-based method. So the correct answer is purchase. Moment at fixed end is 0, minimum, maximum or negative. So the correct answer is maximum. Sludge is a unit of sound, viscosity, load or mass. So the correct answer is mass. PERT stands for Project Evaluation Review Technique, Program Evaluation Review Technique, Prison Emergency Response Team or Process Engineering Review Team. So the correct answer is B, Program Evaluation Review Technique. Maximum degree of freedom is 2, 3, 4 or 6. So the correct answer is 6. The center of gravity of right angle triangle is 3h divided by 3 and h divided by 2, 4h divided by 3 or h divided by 3, 7h divided by 3 or h divided by 3, 2h divided by 3. So the correct answer is 2h divided by 3 and h divided by 3 is D. Equator lies in a seismic zone, zone 2, zone 3 or 4 or 2B. So the correct answer is zone 4. What is called prismatic section? Different in all direction, same in middle, same in all direction or none of the above. So this is the right answer is none of the above, D. Hard water ions is the correct answer is B. C. Turbidity of water made by jar, glass, colorimeter or turbide meter. So the correct answer is turbide meter. Trickling filter work upon anaerobic bacteria, capillarity or turbidity, aerobic bacteria. So the correct answer is aerobic bacteria. Bitumen pavement is also known as flexible pavement, rigid pavement, both or none of the above. So the right answer is flexible pavement. The graph of rainfall intensity and time is called hydrograph, hydrograph, rain time or none of the above. So the correct answer is hydrograph. Factor of safety, maximum stress divided by minimum stress or minimum stress, working stress divided by ultimate stress, or ultimate stress divided by working stress? So the right answer is ultimate stress divided by working stress, D. In a stable equilibrium, center of gravity lies at below, center, not change, or above. So the right answer is A, below. Commonly used designing method is LRFD, plastic, prismatic, or limit state method. So the right answer is limit state method.